I'm Dave with ITW Pro Brands, makers of LPS. I'm here to show you a head-to-head demonstration of how LPS food industry products are safer for use in your food processing facilities. DETEX, LPS's exclusive metal and X-ray detectable packaging for reducing the risk of undetected foreign object contamination. Here's how it works. We'll run a competitor's aerosol cap, followed by a blue DETEX cap, through a Loma metal detector machine. Nothing happens to the non-detectable competitor's cap, but the blue DETEX cap is rejected. LPS's patented DETEX packaging components, unlike traditional plastic components, are easily identified by standard metal and X-ray detection equipment and minimize foreign object contamination that can result in costly product recalls. When prevention is not enough, detection is your best option. Place your order today for LPS DETEX products.